In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background in CapCut. If you've ever wanted to isolate your subject for a clean, modern look, maybe for a product demo, a talking head, or a social media clip, this quick method will get you there with just a few clicks. First, open CapCut and import your video. You can use footage from your device or a project you've already started. Once the clip is in your project, make sure it's on the timeline. This gives CapCut a clear target to work with and lets you see changes in real time. Next, click on your video clip to select it. This is important because the background removal tool applies to the selected clip only. If nothing is selected, you won't see the correct options. After the clip is highlighted, look for the option labeled Remove BG or Remove Background. Depending on your version of CapCut, it might appear in the toolbar or within the editing panel for the clip. Now enable the auto removal. CapCut will start analyzing your footage right away, identifying the subject and separating it from the background. This processing can take a moment and longer clips may take a bit more time, so let it finish before you judge the results. When it's done, play the clip to preview how clean the edges look and how well the subject is isolated. A few tips to help you get the best outcome. Clips with clear contrast between the subject and the background generally produce cleaner edges. Good lighting helps CapCut detect outlines more accurately, especially around hair and hands. If you're planning a shoot with this effect in mind, avoid backgrounds that are too similar in color to your subject's clothing. Also, higher resolution footage can give the algorithm more detail to work with, which often improves the final cutout. If the removal looks slightly soft around the edges, try trimming away any sections where the subject moves too fast or where lighting changes suddenly. Steady movement and consistent lighting usually yield better results. And remember, your preview is your best friend. Scrub through the clip to make sure the effect holds up across the entire segment. That's all you need to create a clean, professional background removal in CapCut. Import your video, select it, open Remove Background, and turn on auto removal. With these steps and a few practical tips, you'll have a polished, background-free clip ready to drop onto any backdrop or layout you like. Thanks for watching and happy editing.